What's up, guys? Stu here from Bowen Customs. Behind me I have another rig. This is a 2020 Ford Ranger with the 6-foot factory bed, and we have replaced it with our topper bed. Really awesome, small, capable rig. If you notice, it's the access cab, so it's actually got quite a short wheelbase in here. Keeps that turning radius tight, keeps the off-road capability high. No sliders, so we do the full door on the forward lower box here, right? Some of you mid-sized guys, you'll have a slider. The flat ones, we can still do the door, but if you have the angled ones, then we do that half door on that forward lower box, just so you don't have any interference issues with it. This is the topper bed, so it's going to feature this bevel, this 45-degree bevel on the top of the upper box. That just lines up with all of the toppers on the market much better. This particular one is the AT Overland Aterra topper. Great topper, composite panels. It's lined on the outside. It's a great topper. It is a hard side, so it is going to be a little bit taller, but then you get more space on the inside. You don't have to pop it up and down. As we move around to the rear here, we see some propane tanks. So this is typically where the rear access doors would go on a bed, just for loading long objects and whatnot. This customer opted not to do the rear access doors and instead to mount some propane tanks. You can totally do that. Just use backing plates on the inside there, or like a large OD washer, so you don't rip through the aluminum. But yeah, awesome use of space on the back of the bed there. You can see this tailgate. So this is our side swing tailgate. It swings out towards the driver's side. This customer actually did a little bit of custom modification themselves and split it down the middle there. Not going to open up the back or the tailgate because they're on an adventure in this vehicle and just not going to show off other stuff to the world. But you can see license plate panel, taillight housings, backup sensors. We can relocate those for you as well. Overall, really cool rig. Really capable off-road too. The Aterra topper is fairly light as far as toppers go as well, so it's definitely a sweet little rig. Got the stickers of where they've been on the side there as well, which is always fun. So if you guys have any questions, you can call us. You can also shoot us an email. Our email is info, that's info, @bowencustoms.com. Thanks, guys.